Very good business here.
Indian customers come in EWU to buy goods.
That's why we came here. Everything is easy, like visas, policies, everything is easy. My name is Ramani and I have been here 10 years.
Myself, Priyanka Ramani. I'm here in China since 2010.
Because here I have very big market, international market, and very good business here. That's why we came here. Very good business, yeah.
We came here because many Indian customers come in EWU to buy goods.
Before last 20 years, here no have any infrastructure. Now have very big infrastructure and very good business and cashless, digital.
Alipay and WeChat dominate the digital payment in the market. Nation use digital pay apps to pay everything here. China is developing day by day.
Before last 20 years ago, I came here. Very easy. Everything is easy, like visas and policies. Everything is easy. Now, how to say? Day by day, had very difficult to do, like visas process and like that. And we also make insurance card. Every month, we have to pay 1,300 RMB. They give us facilities like medicines, treatments, doctors, like that.
Yeah, medicines we get free.
Get free. But how to say now, we are very comfortable here and insurance policies, it's nice.
In 2005, we came to China. At that time, there were no taxation policies.
Yes.
But now the things have been changed. Now we are paying 1,300 RMB per month to get a health card.
Health card,
and
yes.
in that health card, we get medical treatment free, we get medicines also free.
Yes, yeah, medicine also free.
在我看来的话，义乌政府啊，它与其说是一个政府，它其实更像是一个。
In my opinion, the EWU municipal government is more like a large organization, a big company than a government. It attaches great importance to the seemingly small needs of foreign businesses. It is very flexible. This is the impression left by the EWU municipal government on me. I remember one of my clients said he has traveled to many countries and done business in many countries. He gave me a conclusion that EWU will be the future Hong Kong, which actually had a significant impact on me. Based on my own summary from the client, I believe that EWU will definitely be a platform for international trade, with great prospects for development. I remember in the 1990s, most of the people doing business in EWU were from EWU or its surrounding areas. After China's accession to the WTO, entrepreneurs from all over the country came to EWU to fulfill their own dreams. As more foreign businessmen have come to EWU in recent years, who are not only buyers, but also entrepreneurs, they can sell their products globally through the EWU platform, which means you can buy and sell products globally in EWU.
Earning is quite good here as compared to India. Yeah, and China's economy prospect is amazing as compared to India also. Yeah, and as a woman, I feel much safer in China as compared to India. I can roam around 12 o'clock at night freely. I don't have any tension. Yeah, someone will come, will tease me, or like do something wrong with me. So I can roam freely here in China.
We feel safe
as a woman. I feel safe.